Gibbs.co offers an AI-powered tool that transforms 2D images into animated 3D characters instantly, primarily aimed at content creators and marketers. Users can quickly generate viral-style animations without extensive animation skills, making it ideal for producing engaging social media content, eye-catching marketing materials, or entertaining memes. The tool's ease of use, time efficiency, and potential for creating viral content make it an attractive option for those looking to enhance their online presence or create memorable promotional materials. So if this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. Today we're exploring Gibbs.co and we're going to dive right into this here. I'm going to generate a 3D character. I've just signed up with my email. It's asking me to upload an image. Okay, so I've decided I'm going to upload an image that better suits these tips they've provided. And I've gone for this image of me standing on a mountain. Okay, cool. It's saying it's processing and I'm going to start the generation. Cool. Saying it's going to take about 3 minutes. Okay, so that took about 5 minutes instead of 3. And let's see what we got here. Okay. This is interesting. Interesting model. My neck's not quite on, the rest of me, but okay, this is an interesting character preview. I think ideally I want to make sure this actually fits. I think what I'll do is maybe I should have chosen a better picture, but yeah, this is definitely something you can experiment with. I'm just going to click validate generation and see where we can go from here. Okay, so I decided to choose the one in the top left because I thought that was the best as well. Okay, cool. So we've got my character in this 3D space here. Add a skeleton to enable movement. Okay, so we've got some animations I can do. Okay, so it's saying I need to rig my character first. Okay, let me rig this character. Not exactly sure what it means by rig, but let's find out. So the chin is up there. Okay, I think I just place these where the aspects of the corresponding aspects of my character are. Okay, cool. So my knees are around here, going around here. Cool. Let's validate rig. Okay, so I take it now it's being rigged in the sense that the joints are being calibrated, so I guess it makes the animation and the movement more fluid. Okay, so now the rigging's done. Let's see what I can do now. Okay, cool. So I've got some animations I can do, like this jumping one. I'm gonna click validate. Name, I'm not gonna leave it as fail. I'll leave it as my name, which is of course J.I. Card color, let's go with this one. See, that doesn't look that great. Let's go with, that's fine. Visibility, I'll make it private just for now. I can publish it. Okay, cool. So my character's been validated. Already got one animation, which is to jump. So I can see I've got 2 credits left here, and I can get a couple more moves. Let's look at my skibs. Okay, so a skib is one of these. I take it a skib as a character. Let me see what moves I should get, or what moves I could get. I've got this one over here, smooth operator. Yeah, let's get this move, why not? Teaching the move. Okay, cool. Okay, sweet. So now I've got this smooth operator move. Okay, cool. Okay, that's interestingly expressive. Cool. Let me see what other move I can get. Or let's see what else I can do. I can also download these 3D characters in a few different files. Okay, cool. So I think this is an interesting interesting one. I guess you could use it just for fun if you've got a picture of a friend or family member and you just want to make them do an interesting animation and send it to them, then I guess this is cool for that. Or if you're a professional who actually works with 3D animations, then this could be, I guess, a great way for you to just do some mock-ups or potentially actually get some of your work done. But either way, this is an interesting tool to play around with. Yeah, definitely worth checking it out. If animation and visuals are something you quite like, it could make for some interesting content as well. You can also create your motion, as you can see here. And soon you'll be able to chat with your character, which should be quite interesting. Apparently you'll be able to add intelligence and a voice. Cool. So yeah, seems like an interesting platform. If you're into 3D animations and this sort of visualization of people, characters in space, then yeah, it's definitely worth looking into. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to shoot me over a text, then feel free to head over to Jay's Instagram and drop a message in his DMs. ChatGPT will be there to respond to you, and that's essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if that's something that interests you, definitely give that a go. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.